Hi everyone! I bought this roll with it tweed from Red Heart. It said 100% acrylic. I will try that to see if it works on our machine. First, oh, it's easy to get the first. I think it's the one. Okay, so I will try it on the machine. First, I will start with the waste yarn. Find the black needle, and don't worry about the yarn feeder for now. So I will go in front, in the back for the first row. That is waste yarn. So one in the front, one in the back. Not easy. You should see me doing a 15-minute workout doing this just for you to get a better view on, sorry for that, on the machine. There. First row is done. In the yarn feeder, and I will do 3 rows. Two, and 3. Cut the yarn, open the yarn feeder, put it in the middle, and continue with my new yarn. Put the long tail in the middle, and it is ready to go. Oh, for now, looking good. We will see if we get some. I put the counter to 0. We will see with time if we get some drop stitch. But this yarn is very soft. I think it's gonna work. Everything's looking good. So everything looks fine. It's working very well, and I really like it. No drop stitch at all. Yes, yes, yes. I will continue. I did 83 rows. I cut the yarn, open the yarn feeder, and I will add 3 rows of waste yarn. One, two, and 3. Cut the yarn, put it in the middle, and I will continue cranking, and it will release by itself. There you go. So that's it for this part. So I did 83 rows with my yarn, and 3 rows of white at the beginning and 3 rows of white at the end. Now it's time to stretch it. Let's stretch it. When you have stretched everything correctly, you find where is your hand tail. Not the hand tail, I don't know if it's called like that, but you look for your tail. I find mine. I'm gonna go put it on my left and on my right. Sorry for that. So I go in the middle like this, grab it with my crochet and go get the one on the side. That's why it's so important to take waste yarn. I got it, one, and I go get the other one on the other side. There. I will continue like that till I get to this tail. If you're not comfortable with this, you could crochet it with yarn. It will be okay too. But me like this way. I learned this technique from Loretta Elmore. I'm not good with the family name. I will check later to put her name on the comment correctly. She do a video for Addi Express too. And I think I learned it by watching the slippers video she made. Pocket slippers, I think, I'm not sure. It's like 2 years ago. But I will get it for you. The yarn was very nice to work with, and the color name is Crayon. I would put that on the comment too, in case you want the same exact yarn. I was so surprised today to find that one. Usually at my store I go to get my yarn, there's nothing. Always the same color, nothing like this. Was like, woohoo, was like Christmas today. Only one ball, I took it. Didn't wait. Didn't think no either. There. The last one here, and I will take, usually it doesn't happen like this. I check what I done, I didn't, so I will just go with the yarn needle like this and bring the tail where it's supposed to belong. It's my fault, so I just use it. Put my crochet back in the stitches, take the tail and close it. Maybe I go another one. There. So now I remove the waste yarn. Notice that it's not the same, it's not easy both sides. to remove the waste yarn. Sometimes it gets stuck. When I did the stitch here, I think I get the yarn like in the middle. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, I will have to cut it. It's okay, we'll save it for later. So now this is attached. You check if you didn't miss any stitch. I don't, so I'm good. So I will do the same thing the other side. Make sure, I forgot to say that, you already done one side. Make sure it's straight, not twisted, before you start sewing your other side, okay? That's very important. I hide both tail of yarn in the middle of my work. Middle of the two layer. There. Do the same thing for the other side. And then I get it with my hand and put it inside like this. So that's done. Like this. So now, after you stretch it, you hide the tail of it. It's time to do the little trick. Pinch it, not pinch it, but fold it like this in the middle. And like this, okay? So I got it now. Now it's time to sew it together. I will sew it, these two. These two are attached together. Time to do the same thing with the other one. So I continue sewing it. I forgot to put the mic on the camera, So sorry for the noise if you get a lot of noise. My little one is sleeping right now, but she will get this new headband tomorrow and she will be happy. Especially the morning will get very cold and cold. It is September, so get this side and go like this, but I will go check how it looks the other side if I leave it like this, just to have an idea. It will do a little hole in the middle. Okay, I will sew it together, all together then. I was just trying. It's my first try, so okay. So I will close it. So it's done. My little headband, it's done. This is the first try, and I did it in front of you. Hope you enjoyed this little video and it will help you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.